Homework, any doubt? Any homework? Do you have any doubt? Or not done homework? Few of them done, they sent me.
Ma'am, 13th
Others?
question.
13 question. Okay. And others?
Ma'am, 7th question.
7th question. Okay. 1 second.
7th question.
Test of AP. I need to write down, otherwise I will forget. Okay. You have the question doubts in 13th, 7th. Thirteenth one, in triangle ABC, BQ is a line segment intersecting AB at P and AC at Q such that PQ parallel to BC. PQ divides ABC into parts in equal areas. Okay, this is NCERT question. They have changed it. I will take this question after this one also. Fine, no issue. I will do that one right now.
Mom, yesterday homework was only till first 10 questions, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
This first 10 minutes I've told. Okay, I will solve this question. This is an NCERT question as well. Akshay Kirti, I will solve that question further.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. After these 2 questions, I need to take that question. Then 7th question is, ABC is a triangle in which A is 90. Angle A is 90. AN perpendicular to BC. A, this is BC. AN is perpendicular to BC. BC is 12. So this full is 12. AC is 5. Find the ratio of areas of triangle ANC and ABC. ANC and ABC. Okay, fine. So this triangle ANC and ABC similarity we have to show. How to show triangle ANC and this one? ANC and ABC similarity. Can you prove?
Ma'am, angle B common.
Angle?
Sorry, angle C is common. Ma'am.
Angle C. ACN is equal to angle ACB. Common angle.
And angle ANC is equals to angle BAC, each 90 degree.
Yes, right. BAC is 90 degrees. So therefore triangle ANC similar to triangle. Now common is C. So in place of C, C should come. Then in N is equal to A. So then BAC by AA similarity. And take the ratios now. Ratios are AN by AB. That is equal to AC by BC. That is equal to NC by AC. NC by AC. Okay. So we have AC and BC values we have. AC and BC values both we have. So directly take the areas of triangles. Ratio of area of triangle. Area of A and C by area of BAC. This is equal to any one of the side square. So AC by BC whole square. So what is AC? 5. BC is 12. Square of it. 25 by 144 is the ratio. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubts anyone has? Everyone solved or not? Boys, I'm not getting your homeworks.
Mom, I'll send it
Very
today.
few are them. Very few are sending.
Mom, I sent you.
Yeah, few of them I send, not all of them. That's what I'm telling. Medha, Kritika, these people are I'm getting regular. Jayant I'm getting. Manisha is every time on time.
Ma'am, I have sent you the whole.
And that Bhavya and Manisha, these are on time. Immediately when I'm telling, after that I'm getting the homework. Even Rohit Krishna also I'm getting the homeworks. Janit also, he's also very prompt. I'm getting homeworks from this. I don't have to tell them. They are directly sending. Immediately keeps on sending me the homeworks. Okay. So other people, why you are waiting for my scoldings? Okay. Fine. Coming back to those 2 questions left out. So we'll finish it. 3 questions left out. So this part, half part, you already have proved last year also. D, E, F are respectively the midpoints of sides A, B, B, C, C, A of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of areas of triangle DEF and ABC triangle. So here, triangle ABC. D is midpoint of AB. AB is here. E is midpoint of BC. And F is midpoint of AC. Ratio of areas of DEF. So we have to join DEF. So D is midpoint, F is midpoint, E is midpoint of BC. So we need to prove first to take the ratio of areas. We have to prove this triangle and the big triangle similar to each other. So how to prove? Similarity, SSS, SAS or AA similarity we have to prove. We use the midpoint theorem here. D and F are midpoints of AB and AC respectively. So therefore by midpoint formula, DF is parallel to BC and as well as DF is half of BC. D and F are midpoints of AB and AC. Therefore by midpoint formula or midpoint theorem, DF is parallel to BC and DF is equal to half of BC. So what is DF by BC then?
1/2.
It's 1 by 2. Yes. Similarly, E and F are midpoints of BC and AC. So therefore, EF parallel to AB and as well as EF is half of AB. So therefore, EF by AB is also equal to 1 by 2. Again, D and E are midpoints of D is midpoint of AB and BC. So therefore, DE parallel to AC and DE is half of AC. So therefore, DE by AC is equal to 1 by 2. Now what you can say further from this? So how by using this, how to prove similarity?
SSS.
By SSS.
SSS formula, all three sides of one triangle are proportional. The ratios of corresponding sides of both the triangles are same ratio, proportion. So therefore, these two triangles are similar by SSS similarity. So therefore, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, DF by BC is equal to EF by AB is equal to DE by AC. So therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle proper ratio DEF, D and DE by AC. So it is ACB. DF is BC, no? So that means here DF first and last should be BC. DE is AC. So here should be A, B. No, something like mistake. EF should be AB, like this. DE and AC. DE is AC. So C, A should come. EF is equal to AB. Now it is okay. It's CAB triangle. And therefore, area of these two triangles is area of DEF by area of CAB is equal to DE by AC whole square. So what is DE by AC?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square, that is equal to 1:4. Clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
There are many other methods have been told and even that explained by the teachers also. So this is the easiest one. By SSS formula, SSS theorem, this is the easiest one. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just like last you have learned, last year also you have learned by using parallelogram. So many of the places they have explained in terms of parallelogram. DFEB is a parallelogram, so therefore opposite angles are equal. DFEC is a parallelogram, therefore opposite angles are equal. So therefore two angles of this triangle are equal to two angles of this triangle. So therefore by A criteria, DEF and ABC are similar to each other. So that way also can be solved, but that is a more bigger method, longer method. So this is what we have done by midpoint formula. This is easier and smaller way, shorter way. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one, sixth one now. Try. Prove that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding medians. Corresponding medians. So for that you have to draw the median. This is one triangle, another triangle. They are similar triangles. ABC, PQR, median, AD is a median, PM is a median. Then how to prove what we have to, what is given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. It is already given. Then what we have to prove?
Area triangle ABC by area triangle PQR is equal to AB by PM whole square.
Yes. Proof. Already we have area of ABC by area of PQR. This is equal to AB by PQ whole square is equal to BC by QR whole square, also equal to AC by PR whole square. Okay, this is given. This is we know. So how to prove it? Anyone can try. Sharat, can you try? Sharad, are you there?
Ma'am, we can write area of triangle ABC as half into AD into BC and area of PQR as half into QR into PM.
These
Then
are
we know
medians, Sharad. So how you'll write half into base into height? These are not heights, no? These are not heights. These are medians. Rohit, can you try? Rohit B.
Ma'am, do we have to take the triangles PMR and ADC?
Fine, you can take it.
Ma'am, AC by
Yes, right. Tell me how to prove that one similarity.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, try.
Ma'am, we have to take triangle ABD and PQM, prove their similarity, and
How to prove? How to prove them similar? Okay, fine. We have to prove similar. Okay, fine. We will do that one something. Then after that,
then if they're similar, then AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to BD by QM.
okay.
So like if we can take this proof part as first equation and then like from first and the second equation.
AB by PQ we can replace in terms of AD by PM. Very good.
Yes.
But now our challenge is how to prove them similar. Anyone can tell me? Akshaya, can you try how to prove that ABD and PQM similar?
will it be like SAS?
Yes, possible.
Ma'am, can I try?
Yes, Bhavya.
Since triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, so angle B will be equal to angle Q,
Yes, right.
and AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR.
Hmm.
So, and AD and PM are medians. So we can write, medians divide the base into two equal parts. So we can write BC as 2BD and QR as 2QM. So
Yes.
in that way we can do it.
Yes, right. Absolutely right. So triangle ABD and triangle PQM, first we have to show similar. So that is, for that we have to use the given things. That is, ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. And angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. These are all CPST part. This is equation 1. Now take triangle ABD. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR we have. So in place of BC, we can write as 2BD by 2QM. So this get cancelled. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM, and angle B is equal to angle Q. This is from 1, and therefore two triangles are similar by SAS. So therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SAS similarity, and therefore AB by PQ is equal to the third side, that is AD by PM, are similar by CPST, and make this equation 2. Sorry, this is okay, fine. Then we can write as area of ABC by area of PQR is equal to AB by PQ whole square. Now in place of AB by PQ, we can substitute AD by PM also. AD by PM whole square. That's proved. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down then. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The last question. The next question. Okay. Yeah. Prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to half the area of equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. Pick the correct answer and justify. What is the correct answer? No, this is this one. You have to write this. This is one. This next part. Prove that area of the equilateral triangle described on one side of square. That means one of the equilateral triangle is present on one side of the square, and the second one is area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So there are two equilateral triangles are present on one square. That is, one side of the square is one side of the equilateral triangle, and the second one, the diagonal of the square, is equal to side of the equilateral triangle. So draw that figure. Square. So this is one equilateral triangle on its side. This is one side which we select. Then this is one equilateral triangle. And one triangle is present on its diagonal. So this is the diagonal. One equilateral triangle is present like this. It will go beyond square because these three sides are not equal. Diagonal is greater than the side. So therefore it will go beyond. So here it is. So if ABCD is a square, then BEC if we take, and ACF as one triangle, another triangle we will take. These two are equilateral triangles. So therefore, they are triangle BCE and triangle AFC are equilateral triangles. Therefore, what we can say?
Two triangles are similar.
Yes, triangle BCE is similar to triangle AFC, equiangular. That means all the angles are equal. Okay, that is the reason. Now, what? How to take the ratios? Area of BCE by area of AFC is equal to any of the side square. So BC by AC whole square. These are two similar triangles. So therefore, area formula we can use. So BC by AC whole square. So what is BC value? Do we have? We'll consider that as A. This is A. It is a square. So therefore, this is 90. So what is AC value then?
2BC square.
That means
AB is equal to BC.
AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Pythagoras theorem, we have to use it for finding value of AC. So this is A square plus A square is equal to AC square. So 2A square is equal to AC square. So what is the value of AC? Square root of 2, square root of A square is A. Root 2A is AC value. And BC is A. So substitute here. A by root 2A whole square. A get cancelled. 1 by root 2 whole square. 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2. So 1 by 2. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So therefore, sorry, one more step is left out. Area of BCE by area of AFC is equal to 1 by 2. So what they are asking, one triangle is half the area of another triangle. So area of BCE is half the area of AFC. That is what we have to prove. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the second triangle will be AFC or ACF, ma'am.
Anything.
But
Because
the
all three sides are equal to each other. So any ratio can be equal to any ratio.
Okay.
So all the three sides are equal, no? So you can take BC by AC. You can take BC by AC also, AFC also, or BC by AF also you can take, because all three sides are equal.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So remaining two
Yes,
questions already we have solved. These two questions we have solved yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then solve questions of this exercise. Exercise done. So solve questions of NCRT. And the same as Akshay Kirti, that's 13 question. Okay, only variables are different. Yeah?
Even 16th one I have doubt.
Okay, 16th one also. Fine. So this is 13th one. First we will solve and then I will come back to that one. Okay. So in this question, what they have told, see, this is the diagram is given. The line segment XY is parallel to AC. So XY and AC are parallel. Already they are given. Of triangle ABC, it divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. Area of BXY and AXYC is equal. So this is a quadrilateral and this is a triangle. They have equal areas. Then find the ratio of AX by AB ratio we have to calculate. Okay. So we have given first thing, that is area of BXY is equal to area of AXYC. These two areas are equal. If you consider that as in X, this is X and this is X. So what is the area of triangle ABC?
2x.
It's 2X. So what is the area of BXY by area of ABC?
X by 2x.
X by 2X. This get cancelled. This is equal to 1 by 2. Clear? So BXY and BAC areas ratio is 1 by 2. Now it is given XY and AC parallel. So can we prove BXY and BAC similar? Can we prove? Whenever, always remember, whenever the one line, middle line is given parallel, so they are always similar. By
AA similarity.
Yes, this is corresponding angles and this is a common angle. Angle BXY is equal to angle BAC, corresponding angle. And angle XBY is equal to angle ABC, common. So therefore triangle BXY is similar to triangle BAC by AA similarity. Now if the two triangles are similar, we can take the ratio of areas. Area of BXY by area of BAC is equal to area formula, area theorem you have to use.
dx by
By
dA
BA
whole
whole
square.
square.
Bx by BA whole square. And we already have the ratio of areas. That is 1 by 2 is equal to Bx by BA whole square. So what is the ratio of Bx by BA then?
1 by root
By
2.
root 2.
1 by square root 2, right? Now we got Bx by BA, but what they are asking, Ax by AB. So Bx part we have, A, B we have, we don't have Ax, so we have to calculate Ax. So what is the relation between Bx, Ax and AB?
AB minus BX is equal to AX.
That's right. So it is Bx plus Ax is equal to AB. So now Bx and BA ratio is 1 by 2. So what is Bx value? 1x and BA will be root 2x. Can we write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Ratios. So substitute here. Bx is x. Ax we don't know. AB is root 2x. So what is Ax? Root 2x minus x. So that means it is root 2 minus 1 into x. This is Ax ratio, Ax value. Can we write like this?
Yes, ma'am.
So Ax by AB ratio now. Calculate. What is Ax? Root 2 minus 1 into x. What is AB? BA. BA is root 2x. That is AB is root 2x. So this x and this x get cancelled. So ratio is root 2 minus 1 by root 2. But denominator is irrational number. So multiply with root 2 by root 2. So root 2 into 2, 2. Minus 1 into root 2 is root 2. Divided by root 2 into root 2, 2. So this is the ratio AX by AB. It's clear
Yes, ma'am.
or not? So what we have done, first according to their relation, we have calculated the ratio of areas as 1 by 2. Now we have proved those two triangles similar because the line is given parallel between them. XY and AC are given parallel. Therefore, we have proved similarity. Now by using similarity, area formula we have used, the area of a triangle is equal to BX by AB side ratio square. Then from that we got the value of BX by AB. But now they are asking AX by AB. So we have tried calculating the value of AX in terms of X and then took the ratio, the required ratio AX by AB. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is it clear or still has a problem?
Yeah, ma'am.
Then write down this question. And this is important 3-marker question. They've asked this question for 3 marks.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
B is a point on side on AB of triangle ABC. ABC. B is point and then E is point on BC, such that DE is parallel to AC. So this line and this line is parallel. AD by DB is 3 is to 2. Find the area of ABC, ABC and BDE. Yeah. So these two triangles first prove similar. Can anyone tell how to prove? It's easy. Anyone?
Ma'am, angle B is common.
Angle B is common. So these two triangles first prove similar. Full triangle and this upper triangle prove similar. Then
Angle BDE is equal to angle BAC.
yes, to this one, this corresponding angle. So by A similarity, these two triangles are similar. So therefore, triangle BDE is similar to triangle. Corresponding sides is this angle is corresponds to this angle. So therefore, BDE. In place of D, A should come. B is common and C should come. So BAC. So area of BDE by area of BAC triangle. This is equal to BD by BA whole square. Now what is BD? Is 2x. What is AB? AB is
5x.
5x whole square. So this get cancelled. X's get cancelled. 2 by 5 whole square is 4 by 25. BDE is to BAC is 4 by 25. So BAC is to BDE will be so what is the ratio of BAC is to BDE?
25 by 4.
25 by 4.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you explain it again?
First prove triangle similar. So here D is a point on BC, AB, and E is a point on BC, and D is parallel to AC. So therefore, first we have to prove the triangle similarity. DBE and ABC similarity we have to prove by A similarity. Two angles are corresponding angles. Angle D and angle A are equal because corresponding angles, and angle B is common. So we have to prove similarity, and then if the triangles are similar, use area formula. Area of BDE by area of BAC is equal to BD by BA whole square. So what is BD? It's 2x. They have given AD is to DB is 3 is to 2. AD is to DB is 3 is to 2. So that means AD is 3x and BD is 2x. So BD is 2x and BA will be 2x plus 3x, 5x. So it is 2x by 5x whole square. X cancel. So 2 by 5 whole square is 4 by 25. Okay, and then, but they are asking ABC is to BDE. So reciprocate it. Take the reciprocal. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshikiti, clear?
Sorry, ma'am, I had done a mistake. I took E on AC. That's why I got confused.
Okay. Then question number 20. And mark that question. Somewhat different. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to ABCD is trapezium with AB parallel to CD. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Prove that first part, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Second part, if OA is equal to 6 centimeter and OC is equal to 8 centimeter, then find area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD. This is the first part. Second part, you have to find the ratio of area of triangle AOD divided by area of triangle COD. Let's go to the trapezium. A, B, C, D. Diagonals intersect each other at point O. We have to prove, so this line is parallel to this line, AB is parallel to BC, AOB and COD. Can you prove that similar?
Yes, ma'am.
How to prove, Shridash?
Ma'am, by angle ABO is equal to angle DCO. Sorry, CDO. And angle AOB is equal to angle DOC by vertically opposite angles.
Right, so these two triangles are similar. That's we have proved. Now we have to take the ratios of AOB by COD. So just now we have proved AOB and COD similar. So directly you can take the ratio of AOB by area of triangle COD is equal to ABOA. Here we have given the value of OA and OC. So take that ratio OA by OC whole square. So OA is 6, OC is 8 whole square. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So 3 by 4, that is 9 by 16. Yeah, this we got. Now what about AOD and COD? AOD, this triangle and this triangle similarity. How to prove?
Heights are equal, so
We have to draw perpendicular from this, right? We will take a perpendicular from D. DP is a perpendicular. Then area of AOD by area of COD is equal to half. Here we are not proving similarity, direct formula half base into height we have to take, because we cannot prove these two triangles similar because we don't know anything about that. So therefore we are taking half into base into height. So AOB is base is AO and the height is BP divided by half into OC into BP. So half get cancelled, BP get cancelled. Therefore AO by OC, and value is already given, 6 by 8. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. So 3 by 4 is the ratio. It's clear? Second part, market. Here you are not using area formula, this area of similar triangle formula, because we cannot find the area of two triangles. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to finish all the remaining questions from 11 to 22. Out of that 13, 16 and 20 we just solved. In tomorrow's class we'll start Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Written down. One more question is there. This is the figure. Angle B is 90. BD perpendicular to AC. AC is equal to C. AB is equal to A. BC is equal to B. And BD is equal to P. Then prove that first part PC is equal to AB. And the second one is 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. And this is sure shot one of the time in one of the exam you will get this question. First part can you prove? Using first part we have to prove the second part. Yes, anyone can try?
Ma'am,
Yes, Aditya.
we can prove by area like half into base into height.
Okay, tell me how to do.
Ma'am, of ABC we can write half into A into B,
Half into A into B, okay?
and that is also equal to half into P into C.
Right.
So half get
P is the
cancelled.
base and this is height. If you can take the area of a triangle by considering BC as a base, AB as the height. So half into base B into height is A. So half into A into B. And then the same triangle area we can find out by taking AC as a base and BD as a perpendicular. So half into C into P. So this half and this half get cancelled. So AB is equal to PC. Okay. And now we have, we can use Pythagoras also. C square is equal to A square plus B square. This is one Pythagoras theorem formula we have. Now here we have to show 1 by P square is equal to 1 by A square plus 1 by B square. So squaring this both the sides. AB is equal to PC. Squaring it. So it will become A square B square is equal to P square C square. Take P square this side and A square B square on this side, or take the reciprocal, fine, that is better. A square B square is equal to 1 by P square C square. Keep 1 by P square this side, C square take on other side. So it is 1 by A square B square into C square is equal to 1 by P square. Substitute the value of C square as A square plus B square. So A square plus B square by A square B square is equal to 1 by P square. Now divide these two numbers separately. A square by A square B square plus B square by A square B square. This get cancelled, this get cancelled. So it is 1 by B square. This is 1 by A square plus 1 by A square. That is equal to 1 by P square. It's clear? Is this
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
It's very easy, and mostly one of the exam you will get this question. Hope so if exam's done. Okay, this question is very important question. If completed, you can leave, and then you are start solving the same exercise, remaining questions completed. And in science also, I told you to complete the control and coordination first exercise. Have you finished? How many have done? I told it's much earlier. Start solving faster. And this week already you have a test of AP and acid base salt. Okay, so you can leave now.
Can you scroll down?
If completed, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, control and coordination. First exercise should be done by tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. If completed, you can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you said you will also solve the study material questions of electricity. Should we buy the study material, ma'am?
You have to get it from the center.
Ma'am, what is that called, ma'am?
It is go to the tuition center you're coming, no? So go there, you'll get it.
Okay, ma'am.
I think I not forwarded message to you. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am,
Yes.
sent me this one worksheet which had chemical equation reactions and electricity worksheet. So is that the one which you are going to solve?
Yeah, yeah, same. Yes, the same one.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.